Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone. If you've recently faced an unsuccessful business, you're not alone. Even the most celebrated entrepreneurs have faced setbacks. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Financial Focus. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another content. Today, we'll explore how to recover financially, regain stability, and prepare for an even brighter future. The first step to recovery is clarity. Begin by taking a hard look at where you stand financially. List assets and liabilities. Write down everything you own: savings, property, stocks, or any investments. List debts such as business loans, credit card balances, or unpaid suppliers. Example, if you have $10,000 in savings but owe $15,000 on loans, your immediate focus is a $5,000 gap. Evaluate income versus expenses. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Identify expenses you can cut, like unused subscriptions or luxury spending. Understand the root cause of failure. Reflect on what went wrong. Was it poor cash flow management? Overestimating demand. Example, if you lost $20,000 due to overstocking, you now know to adopt just-in-time inventory strategies in the future. When you're in a hole, stop digging. Immediate changes can prevent further financial strain. Cut unnecessary expenses. Shift your spending mindset from nice to have to need to have. Example, downgrade from premium streaming services to free alternatives. Communicate with creditors. Contact lenders to discuss restructuring payments. Example, negotiate to pay $200 monthly instead of $500 temporarily. Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can uncover opportunities you might overlook. Look into free resources like SCORE or small business development centers. Stability is key to recovery. Diversify your income streams while planning your next big move. Temporary or part-time work. Take jobs with immediate payouts, like delivery driving or online tutoring. Example, platforms like DoorDash or Chegg allow you to earn quickly while keeping flexible hours. Leverage your expertise. If your business was in marketing, offer freelance social media services. Example, a failed bakery owner could teach baking classes online or sell recipes. Explore side hustles. Choose ventures with low upfront costs, like affiliate marketing or e-commerce. Credit is a critical tool for rebuilding, so treat it like a fragile asset. Timely payments. Set reminders or automate bill payments to avoid missed deadlines. Example, pay at least the minimum due on credit cards to prevent penalties. Use credit wisely. Aim for a credit utilization rate below 30%. Example, if your credit limit is $5,000, try not to use more than $1,500. Start small. Consider secured credit cards to rebuild creditworthiness gradually. Failures are only failures if you don't learn from them. Make this experience your teacher. Reflect. Identify what worked and what didn't. Example, if your marketing brought in traffic but not sales, focus on conversion optimization. Invest in education. Take courses in business finance, marketing, or industry-specific skills. Example, a $50 online course on personal finance can save thousands in mistakes. Join entrepreneurial communities. Networking can provide fresh perspectives and opportunities. Once you've stabilized, it's time to dream again, this time with a plan. Set SMART goals. Example, pay off $10,000 in debt within 2 years by allocating $500 monthly. Break goals into milestones and celebrate each win. Start small. Launch low-risk ventures to test the market. Example, sell products on a small scale at local fairs before expanding online. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses to weather future challenges. Example, automate savings of $100 monthly. In 2.5 years, you'll have $3,000. Your attitude defines your altitude. Stay consistent and surround yourself with positivity. Celebrate small wins. Example, paying off a credit card balance deserves a celebratory dinner within budget. Find support. Lean on friends, family, or online groups for encouragement. Remember, every success story includes a chapter of failure. You're not starting over, you're starting smarter. Recovering from an unsuccessful business takes time and effort, but you're not alone. Many successful entrepreneurs once stood where you are now. Your comeback story starts today. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. Let's inspire more comeback stories together. And I'll see you on the next one.